OSHA says that on every trenching and excavation site, there needs to be a competent person. And that competent person needs some very specific training with respect to trenches and excavations. That person also has to have authority to take action on that job site. Some of the areas that person is going to have to be trained, just for example, is your soils analysis. OSHA says you have to make a visual and a manual test of your soil. OSHA tells us specifically what that person needs to look for in terms of the visual tests. The standard also gives guidance in terms of specific manual tests that competent person has to make. Sometimes we'll get out on a job site and a guy will say, shoot, I've been through the training, and they may even pull out their wallet card, and so it's clear from the cards they've been through the training, and we'll ask, can you pass the interview? And they'll sort of look at us like there are two of us, and they'll say, what do you mean pass the interview? And we'll explain if there was any type of incident on that job site or any type of OSHA inspection, that compliance officer is going to interview you and just to make certain you understand what's required. And he or she may ask you, how did you classify your soil? And the words they would be looking for, they'd want to hear the specific visual and manual tests of the soil. If you were sloping the excavation, they'd want to know why you chose a specific slope. If you had a trench box on the job site, they'd want to make certain that you understood the tabulated data and that the trench shield was actually getting used in accordance with that data. And if you can't answer those questions properly, the problem is OSHA may take the position that even though you've got the wallet card, it's obvious maybe you don't understand what's required, and that could be a problem. You could get a citation in that situation.